Claude Fable 5 is not just another chatbot upgrade. It is Anthropic's new public model for serious AI agent work. The important part is simple. Fable is public. Mythos is restricted. And the split tells us where AI agents are going. Anthropic says Fable and Mythos come from the same underlying model. Mythos is the locked-down version for vetted high-risk work. Fable is the version most builders can use. So this release is not only about intelligence, it is about who gets access, under what limits, and in which product. That matters because agents do not behave like normal chatbots. A chatbot answers a question. An agent runs a job. It reads files. It calls tools. It edits code. It searches. It checks its own work. And sometimes it needs to keep going for a long time. The strongest numbers are in agent-style tasks. Fable reports 95% on SWE Bench Verified, 80% on SWE Bench Pro, and 84.3% on Terminal Bench. On Frontier Code Diamond, Anthropic reports Fable at 29.3%, far ahead of Opus 4.8 and GPT 5.5 in their system card. The more interesting tests are workflow tests. Tool Athlon checks real tool use across office work, research, operations, and web tasks. Automation Bench checks business workflows across many apps and APIs. These are still benchmarks, but they look much closer to the work agents actually do. Fable is expensive. $10 per million input tokens. $50 per million output tokens. That is not a model for every small turn. It is a model for hard jobs, where a weaker model would waste time, fail silently, or need constant human babysitting. There is also a product wrinkle. In Claude apps, some risky requests can fall back to Opus and tell the user. In the API, fallback is different. Some safeguards around frontier AI development may not be visible at all. For builders, that means the harness matters. The same model name can behave differently in different places. The risk is not that Fable is too smart for normal use. The risk is that people will plug it into powerful tools without changing the system around it. Anthropic's own system card still talks about prompt injection, tool misuse, and over-eager computer use. More capability makes those problems more important, not less. Use Fable for the jobs that deserve it. Deep code work, long research, migrations, multi-step tool workflows, and final review of important output. Use cheaper models for routine turns. Put Fable where better judgment changes the outcome, not where it only makes the invoice larger. Fable and Mythos are a preview of the next phase. Frontier AI will not arrive as one simple model button. It will arrive as controlled capability, public versions, restricted versions, fallbacks, limits, and agent harnesses. If you build with AI agents, that is the real story.